Hey Joe, so the inspector, I guess this step here is too tall. So we just need a very, very simple deck built right over top of these stairs with the platform, higher toward the door, and then some stairs that go down. Super simple, nothing crazy. Probably have to redo the handrail. And then I also need new doors installed. They just had a piece of plywood over top of this. So if I can get some framing done and a couple doors, where this will open up, 2 doors with handles, that would be awesome for that. And it's pretty much ready for you.